If Face ID or fingerprint logging is not working on the Scotia app, here's how to fix it. First, make sure that your biometric login is enabled inside the Scotiabank app setting. Next, go to your phone settings and then search for Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Then make sure that you have turned on fingerprint and Face ID for the Scotiabank app in your Face ID and passcode. Now, what you're gonna do next is clean your fingerprint sensor or make sure your Face ID has a clear view of your face. Try cleaning your lenses with a soft tissue or a piece of cloth and not try to scratch it to avoid further problems. Now, if the issue continues, turn biometric login off in the app. Restart your phone, then turn it back on. You can also register your fingerprint or Face ID in your phone settings. After doing this, biometric login should start working again, and that's it. Subscribe for more.